Welcome to this installment of the EMR instructional videos, Akiro document section. This video was developed by the WRHA CSIS team in coordination with EMR users. This video is meant as reference material regarding the functionality of the EMR. Before you begin working on documents at your site, please contact the lead documents manager at your specific location for processing parameters. Examples provided during this demonstration cover various workflows and should not replace any on-the-job instruction provided by on-site supervisors, managers, or directors. Please note, this section will not include any practice as the simulation environment does not contain any documents for management. Following review of this video, we encourage users to coordinate with their site document managers. During this session, the following topics will be covered: an overview of the provider-specific document folder and its purpose, reviewing incoming documents as a provider, pop-up reconcile feature when reviewing lab results. Providers are responsible for reconciling and reviewing, also known as signing off on all incoming client results, consult letters, referral letters, and any general documents that are being added to the client's chart. Within the EMR, these items are managed using the scanner and fax machines. Documents are either faxed directly to the clinic and then sent to the providers for review, or they are received by courier and then scanned into the EMR and sent to the providers by administrative support staff. All documents sent to providers are kept within their personalized documents folders located in the Home section under the document folder. To view a document that has recently been sent to the provider's folder, providers can access their document folder using the Quick Link tool found in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. The Quick Link tool also identifies the number of newly assigned documents that are contained in the provider's folder. In this case, as an ordering provider, I have 4 documents waiting for my initial viewing. There are several tools that are available to providers for managing these assigned documents. First is the quick identification of new documents. These documents appear in bold text versus those that have already been previewed without sign-off appearing in regular font. There is also the ability to sort the table by a particular column. For example, if I would like to view all of the same documents from the same client at once, I can sort by the patient name column by clicking on the title. Providers may also choose to sort by document type if they want to prioritize their review based on a particular category of documents, for example, starting with labs and then moving on to letters, etc. An important consideration as providers navigate through their documents folder is that each document previewed actually loads the client's chart for quick access. Documents can be previewed either by clicking one time to see them below or double-clicking to view them in a smaller preview window. Once active, if the provider is interested in the client's last clinical notes, they can select F3, review the last notes, and proceed with their assessment. Within the documents viewer, providers can also see the client's next scheduled appointment. This assists in determining whether the patient needs to be contacted to discuss the document or whether it can wait for their next visit. Providers have the ability to put a signature, text, and highlight sections of a document by using the Annotate button. To place a signature, first select the document you wish to alter. Select the Signature button. Draw a box to create the space for your signature. Once you let go of the mouse, a signature entry window will appear. In this window, use your mouse to create your signature. Once complete, select Save. You will notice the signature now appears on the document. To place text on the document, select the Text button. Using the same technique as the Signature button, draw a box. A text entry window appears. Type in your text. Once complete, select OK. The text is now visible on the document. To highlight sections of a document, select the marker icon. Use your mouse to click and highlight a specific section of the document. To the right of these buttons, there are also arrows to redo or undo your changes. As well, a red X will be present to delete any added features. To save these changes and embed them on the document, select OK. You will now notice that the items added are embedded on the document itself. Providers have the ability to print documents via the Print button to the right of the middle section. Once a provider is finished with a document, they can mark it as reviewed by selecting the Review button. This will remove the document from their folder and mark it as reviewed in the virtual chart. The Review History button gives providers the ability to unreview a document, which will bring it back into their Documents folder for further management. This is done by selecting the Review History button, selecting the date range in which the document was reviewed, selecting the provider who reviewed the document, checking off the document you wish to unreview, and then selecting the Unreview Selected button. You will notice the document is back in the selected provider's document folder. For additional actions, right-click on the document. Mark as unread will bold the document within the folder. Forward files will allow users to send the document as a mail message to another user as an FYI by selecting the provider's name from the list and clicking Forward. For more information on mail messages, please refer to the Tasking and Messaging video. The Modify button will allow providers to change the document type, document provider, and change the patient the document is attached to. I hope you have found this module on the WRHA Community Akiro Home Section Documents helpful. For further questions or clarifications, please contact CSIS_support at wrha.mb.ca.